Okay guys, welcome back to my channel guys, and I have to say I'm sorry. It has been a long time I haven't posted a video on my Skillsman channel, on my carpentry channel. That's because I am busy. During the evening time I'm busy doing other stuff. Don't have the time to really come down here and do stuff, do work. But I have some project coming up. And just stay tuned, subscribe, and you'll see this project. Actually, my next project is to build a TV stand using pallet wood. I already have some pallet wood, and that will be my next project. Hoping to start this week, but we will see once I have the material from the customer. So right now we're gonna unbox a planer. It's a DeWalt planer, but they threw away the first box. They said they threw away the original DeWalt box. You know, disappointed, and I had to make them put it in this box because I'm gonna show my video. I need a new tool to unbox. You know, also disappointed. I got percentage off, yes, but I was asking for a little more percentage off, but I didn't get it. I only got what they offering. You know, actually, I was watching this for the longest while. I was reviewing Makita versus DeWalt thickness planer, and in our country, hold on, wait. Oh boy. Okay, nice. Ta-da! What came with it? Manual came with it. And a push stick came with it. You see this? I was asking as well to give me. I was asking the business if I can get a pair of blades, because when I research DeWalt thickness planer, brand new, also came with blade, a pack of blades, but this Makita don't come with no blade. They did not give me no blade. I was asking for blade. I did not get none. Disappointed. But the good thing with this versus DeWalt, it is 220. My country voltage is 230 volts. So that's the main thing I got. What is this? Well, I got a tool as well. I don't know what this is for, but I have to check the manual. Seems like a pair of brushes, not too sure, but I have to check the manual. The advantage why I got this Makita in my country is because actually the DeWalt is much cheaper than this Makita. Even I ordered the DeWalt, I saw the DeWalt online for about 600 US. And it would have been cheaper than this, but it will take about approximately 2 weeks, nearly 3 weeks from America to come into my country. So I just decided to get the Makita. And plus, the Makita, it's a fairly good brand. It's one of the best brand producing tools, and it is strong. This is why I also just buy the DeWalt. I mean, that is why I purchased the Makita over the DeWalt. DeWalt as well is a good brand, strong brand, but it is not in my country, so I just got the Makita done. I don't know how to use this, but I will get along with it. This now, hoping to get some smooth project finish. So it's at 6 inches. I believe this can go up to 6 inches height. Okay, so let's see. It's jammed now. It's stuck. So yeah, around 6 inches board I can plane. LED. Actually, it's not so loud. Remember, make sure my palette have no nails. So this is how it is now. See how it is. Still have to go low. Okay, let's try this now. Nothing, it's too low, too low. Okay, wow, I must say, wow, this feel like an actual finish. It hasn't smooth the whole piece, but the part that is smooth feel like an actual real finish. That it feel like a 220 grade. Some people just pass along this road. Let's try again. Guys, look at this. Look at this. I'm being honest, this seems like it can just, this finish is ready to paint. I'm being honest, this finish is ready to paint. Look at this. This is the other side, and this is the plain side. Smooth. Wow, I love it. I love it. Wow, guys, wow, pretty. And if you notice about the, I was looking for the word, it actually have a little, hold on, yes, it actually have a little snipe, but nothing to talk about. Very, very small snipe it have, very small. It have during this starting and the ending. Let me see if you can pick it up with the camera. Just across here, but nothing to talk about, nothing to be worried about. Is it like that? I'm not sure. Let me see the picture. Okay, nice. Some nice shavings. I don't really know much about shavings, but I'm just gonna say some nice shavings. Planer, 2012 NB planer. Very nice. I will have to read the manual tonight to see how to adjust or how to do this and that. Guys, it's my first time using this tool and I'm already excited.